Hey there, fellow artists. My name is Bram Sels, and I'm an art director at Access Studios and a freelance illustrator for Magic the Gathering. And today, I'm really excited to walk you through the fascinating world of creating dynamic character keyframes using Photoshop and 3D code. In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a deep dive into my usual process when I'm creating keyframes or character illustrations. You'll find that it's a very fast and versatile approach for concept artists, but also for artists who are looking to take their illustrations one step further. I'll take you through the entire process step by step, from coming up with initial ideas to working out a polished image. It's all covered here. First up, we'll tackle the essential task of creating character thumbnails. Think of these as sketching out different character ideas and exploring how they can tell a story visually. These thumbnails will be our roadmap for the rest of the journey. Then, we'll venture into the awesome realm of 3D code. This software is an absolute powerhouse for 3D sculpting and painting, and it's ideal for visual artists. We'll add intricate details, we'll refine body structure, and we'll give our character personality with textures and materials. Then once we've sculpted and painted our character in 3D code, we'll head back over to Photoshop. And here, we'll be taking your painting skills to the next level. I'll show you how to add depth, play with lighting, and create atmosphere that will make your character jump right off the screen. And then lastly, we'll refine the image by adding some special effects and explore some rendering techniques to make sure that your character looks absolutely fantastic. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional looking for some fresh insights, this tutorial is your ticket to mastering the art of character keyframe creation. Let's get ready to make characters that leave lasting impressions, and let's dive right into it.